yeja. Video ya maybe boy. A Volta region. Many animal Volta, many in some, and so I feel say better to say I can create some of you. Okay. Yes, you can have love for the party that I did try with. There's nothing wrong with it. But there is a space we have gotten to. We are now looking for development. Okay. We are now looking for a government that can lead us. We are now looking for a government that can push us to higher heights, not a government that will bring us back. Okay. Say will be the development ba obron no and say baby awa. You should embrace it. Video ya maybe boy a whole market. Okay. This is whole market. Very recently, a year NDC for General Secretary, or you know, or true phobia or no, and net or can or channel bowers and patcho, the American in Ameboa, Fifi Quete. Aqua Kabi say, Ufri Volta region na Otuaba, Edema MPP, why doing Yejuma, and I say, we are Quasia, and Yeshe. Now, at Kodi Ojina so Ediakasa and say, because NDC there a voter region there in TSC sum NDC a voter region there SC sum e talk also ka say na NDC ba enempuntuo eba voter region na mesreye because this is people and I said these are people are na abanya ye koji sika say de be ya ensuo entwimfa keta fo so President Kufuor okoji sika na yetu na ban na NDC for by say skay nie one ye wokita mo fanko ye see defense ma wo mo na nsuo no eba ankodua amfa kita for so enko mo kita for mo tie mi amontie mi ye pa na the party aye gi says kana ma no ekodi ska no wanye see defense no and you still vote for that party because according to Fifi Kwete you people should take NDC as a religion. Yet the religion you would die for doesn't care about you dying. So they say go outside and kill yourself while we live. Again, recently, we saw something magnanimous in the health sector, our Volta region, especially with the drone delivery. The Volta region stands to be one of the top users of this drone delivery, medical delivery. It's saving lives in the Volta region. Again, let me now bring it to physical infrastructures. All the secondary schools that you people have in Volta region has received a facelift. You increase capacity. You buying way and a year. Okay? Oh, they are not to why. NDC want you to believe. But say, with all due respect, we are not doing ourselves no good in our communication. Our communication is still lacking because, listen, we made a mistake with e-levy. You understand? We made a big mistake with e-levy. Instead of communicating exactly what e-levy was about, we allowed the opposition party play politics with it. We kept silence until the point where we saw say, hey, I didn't want show my NGO before we started even traveling. When we started even talking to Ghanaians, we go jinawa na ya kan brofo. Shout out to Fatih Abubakar. Oya dear. Sremini ba wo jinawa wo richi edi chirem. Na me papa pon kroma me am boss. Ma boni si uti jina na brofo sam. Oso nu sabe achimni ayirabini wo Eastern region afi wutichi ene yetena ho ene NDC for the we the ebegu say ebegu mobile business obi anko yin sika mo obi akura and send bio say me send this come de be faka ye mo mu ye de confuse nkrofo. We sat down and waited until the thing was already getting out of hands before we started going what? Down to people, telling them the things that is actually involved in this. For all you know, sankan krofo bebreti ase se there be 11 year GB na ya dibia mama mo amu nkurase no loan na mo so mo bodwo kakra mo ye no matumi de aye as you start e kire na I believe sankan krofo en fight it. MPP communication sanka yetumi ton ye niama 11 no yetumi ton ni ye e na ya ntwanya e kire ya ansa anka be ha anka we would have been better off. Adena make us finance ministry started engaging people about this e-levy and that is one thing that kills me about the citizenry of Ghana. Yeah, you're very hypocritical, and when they hate you or when they don't like you, no matter what you do, the Ghana man, the Ghana woman will not like you. So many people were engaged, stakeholders. Why? Enso ye de levy ba e na man kan kire yen e na man kan kire yen making na ya ma NDC fo aye more than 5 press conferences against enso ye say yan contact you bia with all the engagements that went on. But because the party in power, me am a party utie me ankasa me party NPP and to me and ton sa e-levy no correct inti, we all saw the result of e-levy. It became a political capital for these useless NDC folks who thinks as a Ghana crash here just automatic they are coming to power. Say you want to come to power, but all the umpire say and Niaman get worse and worse and worse and worse because Niaman get worse and worse and worse and abeba power. Now Sebi Debia make us omoye buka for party no mon running kwechiri no. Ni bi dey say okay, no problem. You say Niaman say ye niska ye ni hwe. What pamu aban or no problem. NDC waba. Skabe na ade be adwuma. Police be na ade be adwuma. Military be na ade koye adwuma. Parliament be na ade koye adwuma. High Court be na ade koye adwuma. You see, the time has come awon se mekasa mama yentie the American no more. Cause I don't come here to deceive anybody or I'm not here to play to anybody's play. If my party does it and it is good, sure, I will be here singing. But if they do it and it is wrong, it is a duty on my person to make sure, say, I'm clearing the dust and I'm clearing the bushes in my house so that or what beyond to me and make it. So when I talk like this about MPP, because what has NDC showed? Nothing. We sat down, played with e-levy, Kopim said no so no, a bad gene semuansa. And the same thing we are doing with the debt restructuring. First, no, debt restructuring I ever started. It was already told. Ya catch now, it was already told. Say, we principle, and now we see car with the koto 100 year. She enkano. Nembom. Interest na sanki yetua for 2023 no eno ene be ha yen enti yentumi mamo adentia because they say baby ayedu no ni interest egu yeso no mene yen obi te Ghana o men say be ye yo o men end your betu no patriotic. I love Ghana Black Star omo bobo a obe support but the odwene ni nane ono nafu na ebe men no. So many countries, I can point Jamaica, I can point this European country. Oh man, is it Montenegro? No, one of them. There was another country that I wanted to mention in how do you call it? In Africa that tried to do similar things. That's a restructuring, you know. Then you are told to say, okay, a son say yenya bi enfam out 2023 intino 2024. And I said the next year, Utie, this is what the finance minister, ye kind sa paper no waha, ye kind bibia waha say. Samobe kaya, we read everything here. Or say, o principle nankasa wode to one ye usika ne de. Yam fa hwenka. Nembom interest na woso no. And I say interest ye beguso no. Ena this year yenye den yenya emfa mawo na no kura no next year no ye compensate you eno nkoda nchen ena